Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the wave scalper expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and this is a free price action scalper that has been trading since 2018. Developer claims it identifies good scalping trades using waves and executes with invisible trailing stops, but with those huge backtest numbers floating around, let's see if it holds up in reality. In this video we are going to be looking at everything about the wave scalper, and also we're checking out my backtest which I ran with their default settings on MetaTrader 5. So ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free, totally free, by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out, it's totally worth it. And let's get started. Talking about the wave scalper, from the developers page, it's a fully automated scalping system that uses price action to spot high probability trades, mainly on pairs like GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and USD JPY. It runs on 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame and focuses on impulse waves that go with the trend for better odds. The core is identifying these waves with bar look back logic, then entering the trade with fixed or risk based lots. It always uses a stop loss, one visible to the broker and an invisible one tighter for protection. Also, it exists via take profit or an invisible trailing stop that kicks in after a certain profit level and trails by percentage. There is no grid, no martingale, and just one trade at a time with money management. And it calculates lots based on account risk and can lock profits or stop trading on drawdown. These are the marketed features, and they also have their long-term backtest on GBP USD on the 30-minute time frame. You can see this is their equity curve, and this backtest shows over 2 million in profit with on a $10,000 deposit and profit factor of 1.22, around 1,358 trades with 55% win rate. That is quite on the mid-range level. It's not super high, but at the end of the day it brings out a total net profit of over $2 million, which is the goal at the end of the day. And it has some significant drawdowns of about 30% equity. You can see it here. This is over 328,815 in drawdowns. That is quite on the high side, and it emphasizes long-term strategy with proper optimization for better results on different pairs. We also have other pairs like the USD JPY 15 minutes time frame backtest. This is it, and there's this also. This is another set of numbers. Also $2 million total net profit from this one with a higher win rate of 65%. And actually these backtests are from 2013 to 2017. You can see it, 2013 to 2017. So over the span of 4 years we are seeing over 2 million total net profit from $10,000 starting balance. That is quite impressive from what I'm seeing. But I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on MetaTrader 5, and I ran it on Euro USD on the 30-minute time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 starting balance, and results were quite modest, very modest at best. I used the default settings from the developer, and total net profits around $3.59, profit factor just 1.02 with 263 trades, only 18% win rate on profitable trades, out of the 263 trades that we took, and lots of small winners but bigger losses dragging it down. And the equity curve shows some gradual up moves early on, but then this is it, but then it flats to slightly down periods with several noticeable drawdowns, ending near break-even overall. Max equity drawdown hit about 0.43%, but the recovery factor was very low at 0.08. And these are all the numbers from my backtest. And compared to developers' claims, their massive long-term backtests look fitted or from optimized periods with much higher volatility or favorable conditions. My more recent test shows the typical reality of scalpers struggling in mixed markets, especially in today's markets that is very, very volatile since 2025 June till 2026 June, and it's more recent, and it just shows the reality of scalpers in today's markets. The inputs that actually matter are the max spreads. We also have the invisible stop loss, we have the money management. All of this can be edited. You can change all of this depending on your preferences, but I use the defaults in my backtest, and these are the main settings and inputs that matter. We have the trailing stop. You can also adjust the trailing stop based on your preferences, and we can also adjust the take profit. Yeah, and that's all for the inputs. The thing is, this is a classic price action scalper, and it's a plug and play, and they recommend optimizing key inputs like invisible stop loss, take profits, and all of that. But honestly, it can work okay in trending conditions, but it gets chopped up in ranging markets with those losing streaks. And the realistic verdict for me is that it's a basic free tool that requires work to make viable. Nuances will include the high sensitivity to spreads and execution, the potential for larger drawdowns in live trading than short test shows, and also core fitting risks if over optimized. And the implications will be that the position size and broker quality matter a lot. Profits and drawdown scale with risk. Also, I would say it's for experienced traders who enjoy optimizing parameters and testing thoroughly and using on low spread brokers with VPS. Of course, I would say you should avoid it if you want plug and play, if you hate drawdowns, or you are new to expert advisors entirely without time to tweak the settings and adjust the inputs to your preferences, the way that it will work for you, just like it did for them in their backtest. Also, we don't get any set files from this, so you are left on your own to adjust the expert advisor to a way that is going to work for you in the end of the day. And that's it. If you found this review helpful, like the video and subscribe for more real reviews like this, and drop a comment with the next expert advisor you want me to test next. Check the free Forex robot that we talked about in the beginning and trade safe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.